please do not commingle funds. By that I mean you have a business checking account and you have a business credit card, okay? And when you need money for your personal account, you write a check to yourself or you transfer the money to your personal account and you pay your personal expenses from that. Mm-hmm. If you commingle your funds and you have any kind of issue with the IRS or the state, they have a right to receive your bank statements and your credit card statements. And if they see that you have commingled your funds, they may start disallowing your expenses because they're going to say, you're not paying attention, your records are not clean. Mm-hmm. Okay? And that's how it works. And there's not a lot you can do about it.
Right.
Okay? So don't commingle your funds. Open a business account. If you have to open it in your personal name, fine. But business accounts, business checking accounts, typically in today's banking market are the only ones that talk to accounting software. Chase and Wells Fargo both are supporting personal accounts that will allow them to talk to QuickBooks. Cesslock, Mechanics Bank, which was Rabobank, several of the others have stopped entirely supporting accounting software if you have a personal account and not a business account.